Hello all, Assalamu alaikum. In the last unit, number 5, we have learned about the fundamental unit of life, that is a cell. We have learned a cell, its structure and function. We have seen how cell is a structural and functional unit of life. Yes or no, children? Yes. So in this unit number 6, we will learn about tissues. So here you can see a slide of onion cell and cheek cell. In this slide you can see group of onion cells and group of cheek cells. We can say this as onion tissue and cheek tissue. Here you can see many onion cells and many cheek cells. They group together to form cheek tissue as well as onion tissue. So what is the necessity of this tissue? We all know in single cellular organism, one single cell performs all the necessary functions like nutrition, respiration, excretion, reproduction, etc. Whereas in multicellular organism, as they are complex organism, we can see all the cells do not perform a single function. The job or task is done by group of cells which are called as division of labor. Here you can see the different type of tissues does their own function. This means particular function in our body is carried out by group of cells here. By seeing all this example, we can define tissue as they are group of cells that are similar in structure and work together to achieve a particular function. I repeat, tissues are a group of cells that are similar in structure and work together to achieve a particular function. So in this chapter, we'll deeply study about plant tissues and animal tissues. I repeat, tissues, they are a group of cells that are similar in structure and work together to achieve a particular function. In this chapter, we'll study deeply about plant tissues. So they are primarily divided based on their growth pattern. Plant tissue, they are mainly divided into two types. Those are meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic, they are again divided into three types. They are apical meristem, lateral meristem, and intercalary meristem. And under permanent, you'll have to study about simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simple, they are again divided into four types: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. And under complex permanent tissue, you'll have to study about two types of tissues coming under that is xylem and phloem. So this is the classification of plant tissues, how they are deeply classified based on their growth pattern.